Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Guarantee RV to present to you this 2019 Bay Star Sport 2702. What a great floor plan, such a short coach, you can get anywhere. Let's go to inside and take a peek at it. Looking in here, the color palette is extremely well coordinated. You have a nice floor right here that's easy clean up in this coach. You do have a nice little jackknife sofa over here in the chocolate flavor with the nice cream piping on the sides, and the accent pillows, all of it just really very nice and stylish. You have some nice cabinetry in a Newmar, very well made, very solid, pretty awesome. Coming back here, nice booth, window, beautiful valances, day-night shade combined, Corian countertop in this coach, which is very nice, very durable. Over here, you have a little L-shaped kitchen. You have the add-on right here. Again, Corian, dual stainless steel sink right there. Beautiful backsplash. Look at that, that's awesome. Full stove oven in this coach along with the microwave. And let's see, where does that open? Right there, refrigerator and freezer with an ice maker in that baby. Man, this is awesome. Let's go in the back here and look in the bathroom. So right here, strategically placed in the middle of the coach, is your bathroom. Corner shower, ambient lighting up above. Again, Corian countertop there. Nice little medicine chest. And seals off. Very nice. Coming into the back, you have a queen bed, windows on the side for ventilation, nice headboard, a couple storage areas up over the top. You'll have plug-ins underneath on the side in case you have a CPAP machine or something of that nature. 32-inch TV right here, the exit window in case of an emergency, Lord forbid. And you have a lot of wardrobe right here, with a lot of space for all the extra stuff underneath. One of the things I like about this coach is this window here in the back, because you back up to the ocean, something like that, you can just sit here and just enjoy whatever it is you're looking at, and it's just really cool. Let's go up in the front and see what it has to offer. This coach is going to feature flex steel seating. Again, you got the chocolate flavor seats with the arms that extend down on the flex steel seat. Extremely nice. So you're on the Ford chassis on this coach. You have the levelers, you got the backup cameras. I think this might have side cameras also. It's just got it all. You have right at the touch of a button, you can accelerate or set it right there. And you have over here, you have your generator start, your battery boost, overhead fans. This is an awesome coach. Right here's a neat little feature in that for the co-pilot, a little desk right there, so they can do whatever they need to do. And a TV up above right here for your second TV in the coach. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer out here. Now this coach outside is going to feature a full body paint on this Bay Star Sport, and it's the bronze and the gold, the black color, but it's very beautiful. All of them working together well. Now underneath, you're going to have some storage right there. Let's see if we can do this without. And there's another storage area right there. Coming back here, you'll notice you have this awning right here covering the patio area. Well, that is an automatic awning. So at the push of a button, that comes out for your family enjoyment or whatever you got going on. Again, you got more storage there than you know what to do with. And that one is a big storage compartment. One of the things that Newmar does is they cut this right out of the sidewall, and this fits right into the sidewall, so it's flush. So it cuts down on any wind noise, any dust, any moisture that may come in here. That's all kind of eliminated with that. Coming to the back, an access ladder for the top so you can do all your servicing up there. You also have the backup camera right there to look down on your car that's right here, and there's your hitch right there, 5,000 pounds. Over here to the side, you're going to have a monster generator right there, 4,000 Onan, to power everything in this coach. Pretty awesome. There's your fuel and 30 amp connection to plug in when you're in a RV park or something of that nature. Beautiful simulators on the wheels. And then you're gonna just get under here and you're gonna find that this has a lot more storage than what you could even think. Bay Star Sport by Newmar. There's the side cameras right there. 2019 model, 2702, under 28 feet on this coach. Find that anywhere else around the United States. This is a great coach. Please give me a call. My number 541-285-8791 or the number at the bottom of your screen. My name is Mark Kelson. Thank you for watching.